come out and we'll see who it is. Cardinals from around the world have met and they have decided that the conclave to elect a successor to Pope Francis will begin on May 7th. What it seems to mean is that they have agreed among themselves that they need more time to get to know each other. Because they could have started earlier, they decided to stretch it out. After the conclave starts, only those cardinals from around the world who are under the age of 80 will be able to enter the Sistine Chapel, and they will be locked in there, so to speak. They will be voting twice a day. After that, the conclave will go on until they have elected a pope. If they have, white smoke will emerge from the chimney above the Sistine Chapel. If they haven't, black smoke will be elected. And it will go on that way until they have decided on a pope. And then that person will then appear for the first time to the world from the central balcony of St. Peter's Basilica. Just before he appears, a cardinal will come out and announce in Latin who the new pope is, and then he will come out and we'll see who it is.
Cardinals skulle få det.